demonstrate how you add a manager and to the Sicom and how you change or add a manager card. So you're gonna navigate the main menu, system, active system user and passwords. I already created a manager one. I'm gonna go ahead and do a new. Just click on new, click manager two. I'm gonna select which user is my manager two, example that one. Enter the password. Make sure my password matches. I go ahead and ask a security question. This is going to be useful when I'm trying to reset my password. It's going to ask me for the security questions. Access level should be 50. When I enter the manager's email address, I'm going to go to POS access here. Got to make sure the manager has the POS access 15. And then this is where you're going to enter the card number. So whichever is your 6 digits, let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to enter the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just click add record. And it should have added. And if I need to change the card, if it says manager lost his card, I will come to that specific user and I will change this card, and after make sure I click submit. Okay, system is loading on my end. That's all.